Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Suites Bremerton near Naval Shipyard. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Quality Inn Suites Bremerton near Naval Shipyard is 2 miles from Puget Sound Naval Shipyard and intermediate maintenance facility. Additional points of interest close to the hotel include Kitsap Naval Base, Naval Station Bremerton, Bangor Naval Submarine Base and Naval Surface Warfare Center Carderock Division. Located on Washington's Kitsap Peninsula, Bremerton is minutes from sandy beaches and a lively marina area. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy being close to a number of recreational activities like boating, swimming, scuba diving or fishing, or strolling along the nearby boardwalk where you'll find a wide selection of specialty shops, souvenir stands and sidewalk cafes. Quality Inn Suites Bremerton near Naval Shipyard features include free high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, free local calls and free coffee. Guests of this hotel can also enjoy an exercise room during their stay. Corporate travelers will find that working on the go is easy thanks to this Washington hotel's on-site business center that provides access to modern amenities like copy and fax service. For added convenience, this Washington hotel has laundry facilities. Ample parking is provided and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. All of our spacious and well-appointed guest rooms have microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, curved shower rods, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards, voicemail and cable television. Ask about our rooms that have balconies, kitchen facilities, pillow-top mattresses, sofa sleepers and desks. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.